What's up YouTube, my name's Will, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to do this. The Superman push-up. Alright guys, so first things first, if you haven't done so already, make sure you go down there, click that subscribe button, and make sure you ding dong the notification bell so you get notified every single time I upload. Now, with that being said, as I just said, in this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to do the Superman push-up. I'm going to be doing this in two ways. Firstly, I'm going to do a slow-mo clip of me doing one, and I'm going to break each step down of how you actually go through the movement to achieve a Superman push-up. And after we've done that, then I'm going to move on to some progressions that you guys can do if you can't get this move yet. And that's all you really need to know. So let's get into this. Okay guys, so the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to set yourself up in a standard push-up position. So hands sort of just wider than shoulder width apart. And then we're going to come down fairly quickly, like just as normal, as if you're going to do a normal sort of explosive push-up. Keeping the elbows nice and tucked in. And then we're going to push up hard and fast so that you're going to get as much power as possible. And just when you're sort of halfway through the middle of pushing, then you're going to notice that my hips are dragging slightly. This is because we need to do a hip drive motion in order to get our legs and feet off the ground. So you see here, my hips are dragging and then the hips come up in a pop. So that motion is fairly hard and fast as well. So you'll drive your hips upwards and backwards, and that, if you do it hard and fast enough, and you can give yourself a little push with your toes off the floor as well, will bring your legs off the floor. And sort of towards the end of that motion is when we do the final sort of second half of the pushing motion with the chest. And once you have completed that motion, then you are going to stretch your arms forwards and upwards as much as you can and extend your back to get the Superman position, and then come back down to land safely for the next rep. Okay guys, so the first progression that you're going to want to do for these is the explosive push-up. So standard push-up position, as I said before, push hard and fast so you can bring your hands off the floor. 8 to 10 reps of these per set. The second kind of progression that you want to hit is this kind of forward reach. So you're going to do the same motion as the explosive and then reach your arms forward and up, and just do that increasingly, so forwards a little bit more till you can get them straight out in front of you. The third progression is this explosive push-up with the hip drive. So do the same as you would with the explosive and add in that hip drive movement I described at the beginning of the video. And then lastly, we got the full Superman, so you combine all of those elements together in order to get the full movement and look like you're flying like Superman, and you can get a sick pic for your Instagram. And there you have it guys, that is how you as a beginner calisthenics athlete can achieve the fabled Superman push-up and look cool in front of all your friends. If you guys enjoyed this video and it helped you learn this move, then make sure to drop it a like. It really helps out the channel. Also, don't forget to click that subscribe button and ding dong the notification bell so you get notified every single time I upload. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next one.